Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore how to enable light mode on Google Chrome for your PC with the latest update. If you prefer a brighter browsing experience, follow these simple steps to switch from dark mode to light mode. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your taskbar. Once the browser is open, you'll be greeted with your home page or the last page you visited. Next, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You will see 3 vertical dots arranged in a column. This is the menu icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Now, scroll down the menu until you find Settings. Click on it, and this will take you to the Chrome Settings page, where you can customize your browsing experience. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Appearance section on the left sidebar. Click on it to access appearance-related options. Here you'll find a subsection labeled Mode. In this section, you will see different options for themes. To enable light mode, simply select light from the available choices. This will immediately change your browser's theme to a bright and cheerful interface. And that's it. You've successfully switched to light mode on Google Chrome. Enjoy your new browsing experience with a fresh look that's easy on the eyes during daylight hours. If you ever want to switch back or try dark mode again, just follow these steps and select dark instead of light in the same mode section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively. Happy browsing!